guys, just got to the shop right now. No fancy intro or anything. At least I don't think so yet. I just pulled in and we're just gonna go ahead and get this going. We got lots of good stuff going on today, so here we go. Alright guys, that was bittersweet. Just cleaned up the shop real quick, got it ready. Now we're gonna head to AutoZone and get a couple parts that we're gonna need for the night. And so yeah, basically just getting right into it. Okay, here we go. Alright, back from AutoZone, got a couple drinks, and now we're just going to get started on a couple things, hopefully here pretty soon. But like I said, it's pretty slow. We're just taking it easy today. Just Cadillacing. Jensen, what are you up to, buddy? Oh, it's right there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's an easy fix.
Yeah, just a little preventative maintenance.
5-minute fix.
It is actually.
You're holding your hood up with your head.
Yeah, I gotta buy new shocks. They went out on me today when I was jumping.
It seems like you're secretly trying to hide all these flaws. Starts right up.
I'm taking it.
Woo! Get a little cold start action on this F250. You pumped or what?
Will she start?
Will it start is a great question.
The owner doesn't take care of this one.
Sure thing. Alright, battery's dead. There's only one way to do it.
Gotta knock off your shoes. Gotta be polite.
There you go. There you go. Hey, knock off your boots. Do me.
Cold start.
Hey,
Yeah.
maybe the battery's not dead if you go give me the right keys, eh?
Oh, gee, eh?
I didn't give you the right key. I didn't
know.
give you
Can you
keys.
give me the non-van keys, please?
Alright.
Oh, she unlocks, guys.
Look at that. Well, that was easy. Oh. Come on, baby girl. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Dang 6-0s.
God dang it. Okay. Seems like we've been grabbing these jumper cables a lot lately. Nothing like that Michigan winters. We're gonna start working on this hunk of junk again. We were working on it and then we decided it's not really an important vehicle to be working on right now, really. So, but now we're just back to it. I think Josh is just throwing a brake caliper on her. And that's about it. Then
What am I doing?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh. Alright, we're just gonna look at it. It's a customer's truck, so we're just gonna, you know, move some stuff around and then call it good.
I gotta show this guy how to take care of his tires.
I know, the balls. Dang, man.
Gotta rotate them every 2 rotations. Every time we take apart the brakes on this dang truck, something doesn't want to cooperate or is broken due to the fact that preferably or normally in the rear for some odd burnout reason. So we had to replace this here caliper because the old one, the seals were blowing out. So it's just gushing out brake fluid all on the pads and everything, which is great for them. So we replaced that. Gonna put the ball tires back on. And do an oil change. And maybe do some PDR. I don't know yet. Maybe fix some dents, which is PDR.
Josh.
What?
Don't forget to put this seal wall on those lug nuts of yours.
That's right, my bad.
That way they don't leak.
Yeah, I don't want them lug nuts leaking.
Alright. Done with that 6.0. Oh god, how do I get around? Just doing a quick little oil change on Josh's daily.
Gotta wash it, boy. I bet Jordan's Beamer's got a dipstick for his washer fluid.
Probably.
How many miles?
16,000 miles.
Still on the brake-in oil.
Still on the brake-in oil.
Not on the braking oil. Let me get that pad off.
Gonna go cold start Margaret. Because it's been about minus 20 for about a week now here in Michigan. We'll just start her out, let her warm up for a little bit. Start right up. She's dead? I freaking told you she wasn't gonna start. God dang it, Chip. I told you.
What's the plan now?
Nothing. Just let it sit, I guess.
Alright, should I bring the key back in here?
Yeah, we got lots of other things we gotta do today.
At some point, I guess.
At some point we'll come out here and jump her. Woo! Oh, he's a liar. Buddy! How's it going?
Good.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come on in.
Put the other car up on the left.
Yeah,
What?
We put the other car just now up on the left.
That's fine.
that's fine. Perfect timing. We'll be done in about 5 seconds.
Bet. You want me to pull
Bet. Oh, bring it on in, bud. No, don't pull it in. Jesus.
Josh, where's it got to be on this hoop?
steering wheel.
Watch it, I swear to God. I hate this car.
We gotta start looking for an oil leak now.
I hate this car.
Whoa! Where'd you guys find that leak at?
Oh, there it is, right above me.
Where it is?
Nope, straight up. Axle seal.
Oh, I see you.
Oh no!
No bueno.
No bueno.
But then, there's stuff over here too.
Oh no.
Yeah, but that's old. That's been there for
Yeah, that's been there for a while. So what do we gotta do here, boys?
Make it not go kablamo when I drive.
So just keep topping her off.
Yep.
Should be ready to rip.
Quit eating snow.
We don't want an oil change while we
Just
got
put
this car up.
Just put some like
JB Weld.
Flex Seal.
A little Flex Seal. Trust me, we can do it for you if you want. He's stuck!
can that can beat you.
Josh, you had to push it in.
Sarah, where's your rear doors?
Where's your license plate?
Where's your traction?
After at home.
Oh, you put the plate up there. That can't be illegal.
You got some fog behind your license.
Shoot.
Whoa,
All right, that's it for Caleb's car. Now we're gonna start working on this guy's car.
Do you already have a car there window? Yeah. Oh, I knew
Just swapping over to winter tires.
I don't know why I was sounding winter.
Woo!
You got here
Oh,
just fine?
that's embarrassing.
Yeah.
You're gonna rock those on the rear.
I have to.
Come on. You got here just fine?
Just for it.
Oh, that's gonna be so ugly.
Yeah, those are a little low. You sure that one doesn't have a hole in it too?
They're not low. They're just like 38 pounds.
30. Uh-oh.
Who's 78 pounds are you measuring?
That's fun. I work at an oil change shop. I got free air.
I didn't know tires. The car and we'll see where the pads are at.
Seems to be okay.
But he bought it, and like the day he went and picked it up, like they were like the dealership people gave him the keys. He was outside. He walks up to. He's like, something's off. Yeah. He's like, something's off, and he's like, he just kicks the mirror off and like breaks it off, and he's just like, ah, that's better. And then he throws it in the back seat, just gets in and drives it away. He crashes it on like cardboard stuff, like drives it and stuff.
The pipe pretty good.
Probably. I don't know how used it was. It might have been used.
Still from the dealer, so.
Truth's about to come out.
Yeah. It was.
Let me get a look at that. Man, this kid was like, man, I got so much power it spins tires.
Time for coilovers.
Look at this. Drilled and slotted.
No, it is on coilovers.
Must
But
be
this,
nice.
Wow.
these are so old.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, it's right here. I'm stupid.
Yeah, it must be your first day.
These aren't coilovers.
Night, sir.
It's amazing.
Good night.
Jordan, I'll quit picking on you.
Thank you. I'm used to it.
Poor Caleb, he's never gonna come back down.
Drive safe, John.
Alright, yes, you for God's sake.
I'll try my best.
Not even like 3 or 4.
Does it matter which side? Are these like?
See if they're directional on the side.
And the
What you call it? Hopefully you didn't get two of the same.
Josh, come here.
What? These are.
Nice. Out of control.
There's no space.
This is embarrassing.
Oh yeah, true.
Who took my lug nuts?
Yeah, there is.
Excuse me,
You're
sir.
good to go.
What's under here?
Who took my lug nuts?
Your logo nuts?
My lug. Oh, they're right there. I'm so stupid.
I don't want to eat.
This is what happens when one of your Yeet Yeet brothers buys a BMW. Holy crap.
Batteries in the back.
Wow.
Oh, he's the ECU.
That might be broken.
I mean,
Not a big deal.
handle.
I head back and go get Josh's truck. That's been down for a while, and then we're gonna go pull the fuel pump out of it, and I think that's all. But we'll see. So we'll catch up with you guys here in a second. Just kidding, guys. We're getting Margaret in here.
You ever hit on the lake?
Yeah, you have to.
The Terpsky won't spool.
I got a couple that you can borrow.
God dang it. Margaret won't start. Excuse me. Put. Careful.
I thought you guys were gonna get it out.
Let's go. Push it. Push it. We'll jump start her. Oh, baby. Push me out.
You're not doing any work.
Push me out.
Somebody cut up my header panel. I'm not even pushing.
Come on, boys. Come on.
Get off the rear brakes.
I'm not on the brake.
Out the rear brake.
Wait, let me put it in neutral.
I think the
So are all BMW drivers special ed?
Yeah.
Right about here. Oh yeah. Alright guys, that's it for this one, so here we go. Josh, don't forget to put the seal all on those lug nuts of yours.
Right, my bad.
That way they don't leak.
Who wants to hear